Alright guys, so today I want to do a full unbox review and set up on my new indoor TV antenna. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. So if you're trying to watch like any kind of like local football games or news like that, you're gonna still need one of these bad boys. So this one will do about 120-mile radius on it. So it's this one right here, and we'll go ahead and install it onto the base. Simply just screws on. Does come with the manual. There's that coax, and then a USB to fully have it powered on. All right, before we hook it up, I just wanted to show on here, it does have a long range and short range on here. So depending on where you set this little lever to is where it'll be on. So I'll probably have it set to long range just to see how many more channels we can get. So let's actually hook it up to the TV and see how it works. While it scans for the channels, one of the features that I did like about it does have a 360-degree signal reception. Unlike other antennas that need to be constantly adjusted, this one works from just about anywhere in the home. It even updates automatically as new channels become available, so you don't miss out on anything new. The coaxial cable did feel very durable, so it should reduce signal loss, giving you a stronger reception. Alright guys, so there you have it. As you can see, the installation was really quick, super easy to hook up to the back. It ended up finding a couple more channels than it did on my other antenna. So it ended up finding 21 total channels. And as you can see, it looks really good on here. I also want to mention it did come with an extra one of these on there. So if you guys are looking for a new TV antenna, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave that link down below. I highly recommend.